Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bitget exchange to Bitget wallet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you'll need to open your Bitget exchange app. Once it's open, log in by entering your credentials. After you've logged in, head to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the Assets tab. Now, at the top of the screen, tap on Spot. After that, select the Withdraw option and you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. Let's say you want to withdraw USDT. Simply tap on it and then select the on-chain withdrawal option. The app will then automatically choose a network. But if you want to change it, just tap the drop-down arrow. For this tutorial, I'm going with TRC20 for USDT. Next, open your Bitget wallet app to get the withdrawal address. After that, tap on the deposit option, then select on-chain deposit and then select USDT. Now, find USDT on the TRC20 network and tap on it. Next, you'll see both a QR code and the deposit address. Simply copy the deposit address. Head back to the Bitget Exchange app and paste the deposit address in the withdrawal address field. Now enter the amount of crypto you wish to withdraw. Once everything is entered correctly, tap on the withdraw button at the bottom of the screen. Lastly, all you have to do is wait for the transaction to be completed. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.